The Clash report says a column of various armored vehicles, including 4x4 M-ATV mine-resistant vehicles, spotted somewhere in Ukraine. M-ATVs are armored fighting vehicles developed by the Oshkosh Corporation specifically designed for Afghanistan in order to deflect mines and offer better protection against improvised explosive devices. Featuring an armor system with a V-shaped hull engineered to deflect blasts from improvised explosive devices away from its occupants, the M-ATV seats 4 passengers and 1 gunner. While some armored vehicles can weigh more than 60,000 pounds, the M-ATV weighs approximately 25,000 pounds including standard equipment and fuel. As noted by the Oshkosh, the vehicle can be deployed in special reconnaissance and target acquisition, military intelligence, conventional and unconventional warfare, and command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, C4ISR, missions. Truly a multi-purpose vehicle, the M-ATV is able to operate on every area of the battlefield and serve such functions as command and control, troop transport, shelter carrier, towed weapons mover, armament carrier, tow missile system carrier and even ambulance. The Oshkosh Defense Registered Trademark MRAP All-Terrain Vehicle, M-ATV, family of vehicles features an array of vehicle configurations for a wide range of mission requirements, force structures and threats. Whether a fleet has narrowly defined missions or expansive tactical demands, forces can be equipped with the right M-ATV variants to meet those specific needs while benefiting from a common platform and components. A request for a new vehicle was issued in 2008. The Oshkosh Defense beat out several competitors and received an initial order for 2,244 M-ATVs. A follow-on order was awarded for additional 1,700 armored vehicles. Later, an additional 352 MRAP vehicles were ordered, bringing a total to 4,296. Even more vehicles may be procured as funding becomes available.